Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here. I'm absolutely stoked. I just stopped off at the mail office place and a parcel arrived for me containing the Scutosaurus, and that was insane. Toyranosaurus Rex on Instagram got me those along with two of the Snap Squads that I was missing, so now I am practically complete the lineup. All of his sales of his collectibles are going to charity. They're going for animal and environmental conservation, which is absolutely fantastic. I love his cause and what all the money's going towards. So I'm so happy that he could get me in hand of these figures. That was great, and I appreciate it so much. So if you guys want to check him out, go check out his page on Instagram. I also stopped off at Toys R Us and found they had the new Dino Escape blind bag, so I got all of the new figures from that lineup, including the box that they come in. I also found this at Walmart. Now, I live in Canada, so I don't actually get a lot of figures up here, as we all know. It's very hard for me to get my hands on certain things without asking for help from Americans, but thankfully, Walmart surprisingly had it. You probably seen the video beforehand of me finding this bad boy, so I'm excited about that too. Today was just a win-win-win for me. I'm glad that I could get my hands on this set, and I'm so happy that these guys arrived, and it was just a bonus to get all these mini blind bags. So yes, that is fantastic. I can't wait to get my hands on all these figures in the upcoming videos. Just taking a look at the mini blind bags in person is going to be amazing. And finally, I'm so close to completing my past lineups. I'm literally only missing like 5 figures at this point now, which is crazy. So yeah, that is the update video. Hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at all this. Make sure to stay tuned for the reviews of these figures. You wouldn't want to miss out on seeing these figures and what they do. This action feature is pretty crazy, so I'll show that off in my next few videos. And yeah, no, I'm just beyond excited. Hopefully you guys are too, and I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye guys.